What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Basically today's video was already filmed about a week and a half ago, but basically we're just gonna cover, I put in some new lights here behind me. They're a lot brighter than what I had before, but still got some dark spots just because you need more outlets. So gonna toss in some LED lights in my garage, then we're gonna head to Medicine Hat and visit my buddy Dan to weld up and close all these holes and stuff on the Vig. So get that done, get it all patched up, cut some rust out, weld some new panels in, smooth it out. I think might have to put a little body filler on there. Yeah, so we gotta fill all the molding holes, the trim holes, because I pulled the moldings off the sides of the car just because I think it's gonna look a lot cleaner without that molding, that stock molding, whatever. It'll just be like a smooth line now instead. So we're gonna fill all those holes because they have little clips that they all clip into. Fill those. Then the trunk, all my badges, for some reason, they didn't just decide to use only adhesive. They had to make holes in the trunk lid and then make little like alignment pins on the badges so that it actually goes into the holes, and then they had adhesive. So those holes get moisture and they rust out. So that's what happened with the V on the Vigor, was like, I don't know, created a big rust hole like almost through the trunk. So that's the worst spot, but we're gonna fill all the other little holes from all the badges and completely debadge the trunk and get that all nice and smooth. I already started debadging in the couple of the previous videos if you've been watching, but for this one it's gonna finally be smooth. So there's some other stuff on the driver's side rear door. There's a big rust spot, and it's funny how it only happens on one side of the car. Like, it didn't happen on this side, but it happens on the other side. I don't know how that happens, but so we gotta cut that out. Gotta reshape and re-weld in a new metal plate for that, and a couple other spots here and there. So that's the plan. Let's do some work. I think this box was like, I don't know, $60 or something on Amazon. Okay, yeah, like 50 bucks for this set of two, and they are pretty bright. How many lumens? I don't know. Look at that. Just look at it. Adjustable. Oh. Right. That thing's actually so bright. Square hole. Yeah, that'll work.
I mean, we could
Perfect.
square it off.
That's perfect.
Just weld that up.
Dan the man.
What's happening, Zach?
You gonna weld my holes shut?
You betcha.
Dan the man.
What's Zach Attack?
How's this one?
Oh, looks perfect to me. Thanks, Matt.
What are you doing now?
Making a little template for a piece of steel to fill the hole.
Oh. You do good.
There we go.
Dan the man back at it again.
That's nice.
Nice fit. Nice.
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 Okay.
Does it work well?
It works well. Zach Attack.
Okay, Dan the man.
So, I mean, you have to, so you mix a hardener in. There's a specific weight or whatever to mix it, but I usually go about an inch of hardener to 1 scoop like this. I find that works well. So that was 3 scoops.
Body filler tutorial.
So then you kind of just want to make sure this is mixed because sometimes the watery part separates. So I just run about 3 inches.
Okay.
And then we mix that together. Now depending on how hot it is out, this stuff sets up pretty fast.
Okay.
So if you mix up a bunch and it's hot, you better hustle. Because once it gets hard, it's done.
just finished painting his truck. Like, this thing looks so sick. Super clean. Look at this thing. A lot of custom work. Day 2, how are you feeling?
Feeling good. Good sleep. Fresh out of the shower.
Ready to go again?
Ready to cut some junk.
Yeah, this is pretty junk. Thanks, Dan the man.
No problem, Zach.
Make sure you follow this guy. He's the same guy that did my exhaust. Also my full stainless exhaust. Mauer Speed Design. I'll put his link on to Instagram and his YouTube channel. Follow him for some welding and cool fab stuffs.
Yep. I do that.
Well, I guess that's it for this video. We got the trunk and most things all patched up, the whole side and everything. There is just a couple of spots, mostly just this rear quarter panel on both sides that we didn't get to. But that's pretty much it. So make sure you follow us on Instagram and subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.